Have you already set your goals for this 2021? Do you want to save more money this 2021? Do you want to be debt-free? Or do you want to have an early retirement? If your answer is yes, stay tuned so I can tell you the 4 do's and don'ts on setting money goals or financial goals this 2021. Welcome to my channel, and again, this is Dynamite Effect. Thank you for being here. If you wanted to know the 4 do's and don'ts on setting money goals, I'll tell you and share it with you. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you get updated to my latest uploads and videos. And don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. If you want to achieve your goals, let me tell you how to do it. We have 4 do's and don'ts on setting money goals or financial goals this 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one is, do stay committed and don't try to be perfect. What does it mean to be committed and not to be perfect? You know, when we set our goals, we want it to be perfect. We set our goals and we want to achieve it. Everyone wants to achieve the goal, but don't be hard on yourself. We may fail, we may make mistakes in doing our goals, we may face challenges, different challenges. But just stay committed. Never give up. Stay committed and focus on the progress or the positive progress that you're making. Never give up. But you know what? The good news is that if you keep in mind that you don't need to be perfect and you just have to stay committed, you're gonna achieve your goal. Don't try to be perfect. Just stay committed. Number 2, do stay flexible and don't be hard on yourself. Again, our goals are dynamic. So our approach should be flexible. We should have a flexible approach to it. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but don't change your goals. Again, do stay flexible and don't be hard on yourself. Number 3, focus on habits and don't focus on result. What does it mean to focus on the habit and not on the result? For example, you would like to have or you would want to save money for your family vacation by the end of the year. Instead of always thinking about having that vacation, think of forming a habit. Start by transferring a certain amount of your money whenever your pay comes in. Then transfer it immediately, a specific amount or a desired amount, to your savings account. Because if you keep on doing that and you're forming a habit of transferring the money immediately or paying yourself first, you're going to be on a good track. Instead of just thinking about what are you going to do with that vacation at the end of the year. So focus on saving the money, paying yourself first, and making it a habit of doing that on a monthly basis to achieve your goal. So once again, focus on the habits and not on the result. And number 4, rely on systems and don't rely on willpower. What does it mean to rely on system? Again, when we say system, this is 1 or 2 actions that you do on a regular basis and making it as a habit and in order to achieve your goal, rather than relying on the willpower. When we say willpower, it's only the strong desire that you want to do something. So it's not just by thinking and thinking and relying on your willpower that you're gonna do certain tasks. You have to focus on the system. Do it, make it a habit, and focus on the progress that you're making. Again, rely on the system and don't rely on willpower. So, if you're setting money goals this 2021 or financial goals this 2021, remember, stay committed, stay flexible, focus on habits, and rely on systems. And don't rely on willpower. Do not be hard on yourself. Do not try to be perfect. Don't focus on the result. Those don'ts and those do's are the things that could help you on setting your money goals this 2021. Once again, everyone, if you've learned something new today, please don't forget to give me that big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you get updated to my latest uploads and videos. Once again, Dynamiters, always remember, never stop learning and keep educating yourself. Bye everyone, and see you. Number 1, do stay committed and don't try to be perfect. Number 1, do stay committed and don't try to be perfect. Number 1, do stay committed and try not to be perfect. Number 1, do stay committed and don't try to be perfect. For yourself. Number 3, Stay committed.
I believe I can fly.
Number 3, do stay focused on habits.
I believe I can fly.
Commit yourself that you wanted to achieve your goal. Never give up. Keep the progress going.